This video is going to show you how to fill out a 1099 DIV form. When you get onto your dashboard, you go over here to Forms, you click Form. It'll take you to the tax form page where you'll select the tax year that you want to fill out, and then you'll locate the 1099 DIV form. You click on that, and then you can go over here to select payer, and you can select a payer. If you don't have a payer yet, you can always add a payer. This will take you to the payer input screen where you can fill in your information for the payer. Then you will go down here to the recipient area, and you can select a recipient with the drop-down menu. Again, if you do not have a recipient for this payer, you can click the Add Recipient button. That will take you to the recipient input area. We're going to take this one, and then we're going to go over here to the 1A box, and you should fill in the appropriate boxes for your situation. Once these are all completed, then you can go down here to the Save and Continue button, or you can save and add a new 1099 DIV form. And that's it for filling it out.